Hi, let me show you a red lentil puree recipe for babies. I'm using these red split lentils from Hera. You can use any. You need to take 3 tablespoons of red lentils. Just make sure it's clean. Wash your lentils really well until you feel it's really clean. After washing your lentils, take a pan and put your lentils in the pan. Add around half a cup of water in your lentils and put them on the stove for cooking. I'm adding a pinch of turmeric. You can skip it if you want, it's totally optional. Now turn the stove on and let it cook for around 8 to 10 minutes. Keep checking, and once you see the lentils is cooked, start mashing with a potato masher. If you have a blender at home or a chopper, you can use that, but for those people who don't have a blender or chopper, they can use a potato masher. I have used blender in different recipes, but today I'm just going to use this masher. If your baby is around 6 months old, make sure that your puree is really creamy with no chunks at all. If you think water is not enough in your puree, you can add some boiled water. I have added 1 tablespoon of kettle water in it. Once done, transfer it into a jar or box and it's ready to serve to your baby, or you can put it in the refrigerator and use within 48 hours. Thank you.